There are a variety of question types available in Schoology tests and quizzes. Let's take a look from a student perspective and see what they look like. We'll click into the test quiz, and you can see that this student has made 0 of 2 attempts, so this teacher has allowed 2 attempts. That can be a choice of the teacher. To begin the test, we'll click Begin Test or Quiz. Here we see the first question. The teacher has posted a picture and a prompt. So this is an essay question. The student would type the answer in the blank and then go on to the next page. Now, essay questions would need to be manually graded by the teacher. Then we can have a matching. Notice a picture has been added. You can also put in your answers and it becomes a matching. You can see the lines are drawn so the students can see which ones they've matched up. We click to the next page. Another question type is a fill in the blank that's numeric. So we can type in a number. Click to the next page for another question type. This one actually allows the teacher to embed audio. So each of these is an audio clip that the student could click on. After listening to them, they could answer the question, which song begins with a bass guitar. They'd choose their answer and move on. So a language teacher could put a teacher saying a word in a world language. True, false. We can click to the next page. This is another essay question type where you can actually embed a video. You can type in your answer down below, and this one actually has a rubric attached, so if the student clicks on that, they would see the rubric and know exactly how they will be scored on that response. These can be used as formative assessments or even learning activities in the classroom, as well as a summative test. You can do a multiple choice. This is another kind of multiple choice where the questions are aligned to pictures. So, which painting was created by Van Gogh? You can click the answer and move on. So the answers actually are pictures. In this one, the student would reorder and try to put these in the proper sequence and then go on to the next page, and you can give partial credit for partial correctness on those. Another essay question, type in your answer. And then this would be a fill in the blank, and you can have multiple blanks that you would fill, each one having a correct answer, and then again you could give partial credit on that. Another option would be to have the pictures up in the question type and then just match them up to A, B, C, D. Now, are you sure you want to submit the assessment? The student gets a confirmation at the end. We'll say yes, and the teacher can choose if this is resumable or not. If it's not resumable, they cannot continue once they've submitted. Notice the correct answers are shown to me in green and the wrong ones in red, so I can see how I've done instantly. I will not see the essay until the teacher has corrected them, and the teacher has the choice whether or not they want to show the results to the students. So this gives you an idea of some of the various question types available in a Schoology test or quiz. As a student, if I go in to attempt the test again, I can see that I have made 1 of 2 attempts and I have 1 attempt remaining. I could take that test again, or I could look at my submissions, and it gives me information as to when I started and completed it, how long it took me, and it's pending review for the essay questions. Now I can actually see my results here because that's what the teacher has set. If you are allowing more than 1 opportunity at the test, of course, you would not show the students their results until after the second one.